Alex sat alone on his computer all day when suddenly there was a knock at the door and a voice that screamed, "Hey!" Alex sat straight up. It wasn't the voice of a mister. Oh no, it couldn't be. It was his evil sister. He grabbed hammer and nails and quickly blocked off the door. As his sister tried to get in, Alex cried and curled up on the floor. She banged and kicked loudly. The evil sister was almost in. Alex then realized he couldn't let his sister win, so he grabbed some torches and tried to get them to light. But then his house caught fire. This wasn't very bright. Oh no! Alex left through the back and screamed, "See you later!" But as his sister's skin melted, she revealed to be the Terminator. She ran right towards him, so Alex ran too. He got more and more scared. He didn't know what to do. But then, out of nowhere, a bucket of water appeared. He took it and splashed her, and she disappeared. "I'm melting! I'm melting!" she yelled as she faded. Alex turned back and replied, "You have been terminated." I got you good.